This is how you can go to the microwave and activate it. So we're gonna give you a quick little tutorial. It might take a little long, but we can edit it to make it shorter. Let's go.
Okay. I like to use the loadout so that way I don't have to
Yeah.
restart everything.
Yeah, you should need 1 research coins to buy one of the slots. And I would just use these. And I have auto reload, so
And you might have to bring a grappler so that way you could actually go fast.
Yeah, you need a grappler. So I have the fish. And then
It's whatever grappler you want. The sword grappler.
if you want to put stuff in the microwave, you can grab any.
You have to get a bag full of rare items and then
Yeah.
But I'll protect Ian so that way he doesn't get into trouble.
Alright, I'm gonna make this.
Alright, you ready?
I have my gun already.
Alright, come on, we're out.
Yo! Yo!
You can't let these viewers down.
Yeah, we can't let our viewers down.
Yo, Ian, don't mind if I could actually get the key card?
Bet.
Alright, I'll do it.
Alright, so if you go in there without the key card, it will suck your items in here and you can get them. For example, look. Look, your item gets thrown. You can still retrieve them.
Yo, Ian, I found the key card.
Alright. So once you turn it off with the key card, I will show you the location of the key card right now.
Yo, Ian,
I just lost my revolver.
Yo,
I just lost
It could be located in one of these rooms, so.
Oh yeah.
I'm pretty sure I look harder.
Wait, but I lost my revolver. Yo,
Don't worry, bro, I'll help you. Oh,
I got it.
Alright, come on, let's get out of here.
Alright, I'm gonna show you how to find the key card. So the key card will be in this room right here. It will be like this, yeah. So once you grab your key card, you can come right here, hold it. You can turn it off and turn it on. Alright.
Alright, yeah, come on.
Come on. Alright, we're not doing this yet. And then now we have to grab.
You're gonna need this is called uranium. You need it to put in the shredder, but do not go in the shredder yourself. You will officially die. I'm pretty sure it's back here.
Yes.
But these ores are called uranium.
Yeah, you have to get to the
and it has to go on that white bar.
Yeah, that white bar. So you just have to grab. They're scattered around. So.
And guys, you might have to wait because uranium can actually.
Yeah, you have to wait for the respawn.
But alright, come on, let's go get the code before they despawn, and let's go get the vault key. Oh shoot.
So the code right here. So this is not the code. This is the code. 6983. So right here there's a keypad where you enter 983. 6983.
And guys, these eyes are basically like the Sith, but they can stab you multiple times and they don't one shot.
We should bring melee. Why is he not dying?
I'm gonna run past it. I'm gonna risk it.
Alright, you can just run past it.
There's a Robodog somewhere, so watch out.
Beware of the Robodog. Alright.
Intruder.
Alright, once you've killed him.
And one shot, so is that more you can have it?
Huh?
Wait, so throw the rocket launcher ammo and shoot it. Yo, Ian, come on.
Wait, let me kill it.
Where's the robot?
Where even is it? Where is it? Oh.
Thanks, man.
Emery,
I
here,
appreciate
here,
it.
Emery.
Oh, I need it.
Alright,
I have
so
speed
once
boost, come on.
you've eliminated every single robo dog, you wanna come this way.
And then this is the... And this is where
Yo,
you
why
have
is
the
one of them
key.
missing? Aren't there 4? There's one missing.
For what?
Oh, alright, so right here in this little, like,
The vault key will be right
yeah,
here.
right there.
Make sure to grab it.
Yeah, it does not go in the backpack. It can go on your back, but we have backpacks, so we can't do that.
Holy shit, I forgot about the direction. I was shotgun, so you can
So
protect yourself.
So once you got it, you
But
can
do not fall in there, because you will die.
yeah,
I like to use double jumps, so that way I don't like unfortunately.
yeah. You cannot grab onto the metal. That's metal down there.
Yeah. But you
Like,
cannot
be-
grapple onto the metal.
Be careful with all the red stuff.
Turbo dots. Oh yeah, all the
And
there's a chubbier snail here if you
we'll
want
give you a
it.
little chubby
People-
snail tutorial.
A lot of people
Chubbier-
assume that's rare.
It's right
No,
here.
it's rare too.
Chubby snail will be right here. So cute. Alright. Once you grab Chubby snail, you get the cosmetic and you complete the quest. So that I got 2 tutorials. for you
Alright,
guys.
come on.
I gave them 2 tutorials so they can know where the chubby snail is.
Alright.
So this
Check
can
out
protect
on
you.
our next video
This
where we
protects
can
you
show
from.
you guys where the chubbier snail is.
I already
And
showed them.
uranium.
I already showed. So this protects you from
We
from
need
the-
one more small one.
This one protects you from the acid,
Alright, that's enough.
from the radioactive
Whatever, come
acid.
on, let's go. You guys at least have to reach to the bar.
I'm gonna leave you here. Bye.
So, guys, you're gonna spawn in what they have over there, and then once you spawn one of the shapes, then you're gonna have to count here, like A6. That's where I have to put the circle. You get it, Ian?
Yeah.
Alright. So
so-
spawn them in one at a time.
Yeah. If it's hard, if you do 4 at a time, that's gonna be like bad. You're gonna. So we can spawn 1 at a time.
Yeah.
Alright, go. G6, A6, A6.
Not good. What is the
Circle A6. The red circle A6. A6.
A6,
It's over here.
A6 or A6.
A. Like apple.
So Ian, how about this? I'm gonna drop it here, then you're gonna grab it as fast as you can.
I bet. They explode easily, so be careful.
Yeah, I can explode.
I'm gonna show you guys how to move. So this goes up. This goes extended. This one goes up. This one's the turn. Alright. Not yet. Don't. Alright. Drop it. Wait.
Hold on,
Not yet.
let me put it to your angle. Wait, don't move, don't move.
Drop it.
Alright, grab it as fast as you can. I go.
Alright, so like A6 is right here. You're gonna drop it. And if it's wrong, it should explode. It's gonna explode. So
If you
let's
do
go.
it wrong.
Yeah, if you do it wrong, it explodes. And you have to rejoin.
It's kind of slower, but if you spawn it like all the time, then it's gonna go on one side, which is we do not want them to go.
Yeah. sometimes they can go on the wrong side and you have to restart. If it's like too far.
Even drop it and then pass it to the other machine, so that way you can.
Yeah. So, for example, I'm gonna spawn that green one, which is I7. For the green one, I7.
Alright.
So like that. The number. Right here. Oh shoot, it's on the wrong
Alright,
side.
yo, Ian, go on the other side, okay?
I bet. It's like teamwork. You can do it with one person, but it's gonna be really hard. You at least need one person.
Alright, Ian, go here.
You need at least one person to help you.
Alright, ready? Grab it. Wait, what'd you say? No, don't put it. Right here. Yeah, drop it.
So you can do it with one person, or you can do it with by yourself.
Yeah, but you guys gotta be very careful, okay?
Yeah, you gotta be very careful on where you put it. Let's go get the next number. So this, we're gonna spawn red one, and so this one, the closest one is G7.
E7.
G. Like the letter G.
G7, okay.
Yeah, right here. No, that's gonna go in, yeah, right there. No, right there.
How many do we need?
One more.
Alright.
So, let's go get the last one we need to finish the puzzle. So the last one's gonna be another circle. You wanna use it? Press it. You come back. Oh, it fell in the water. Oh! No, I accidentally fell in the water.
Go wash your eyes.
Alright. Alright, I forgot the call. Sorry, bro. I'm sorry, I forgot the call, bro. H3.
H3?
Yeah, H3.
Wait, where's H3?
Right here. And we have more teamwork. We need more team. Alright, right here. Alright, we have done it. Now, these are gonna go in up
Now
here.
you're gonna wanna go here
And
unplug.
no, you have to plug
Plug
it
it
in. So
in.
you're just gonna walk to it. It's gonna be.
It might take a while.
Yeah, it's harder to do with one person than two people. There you go. Now you turn it
It's
on.
easier with one person, I feel like.
Yeah, and by yourself, it's harder. By the way, make sure to like and subscribe.
Yeah, because we're trying to reach 1K by 2020.
Yeah, we're trying to reach 1K by 2027. Alright, so once you're here, so.
Alright, Ian, put the item of your choice in.
Or not yet, not yet. So you're gonna, do you see this 0? And if it says active, you done it. And like, do that. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, you're gonna have to put it on how many.
And then this one
like,
is if you want to go back to like power. So I'm gonna put it like that. And I'm gonna grab the item, make jiggly. It should push it. Push it close. Alright. And then once you're done it, you're gonna press this button.
And then look at it.
And you can watch it get
And it's gonna get electrocuted. That means it's gonna be. And when it's done, then it's gonna be jiggly.
yeah, look. You see it? Wait, let me do it. Let me make it more extreme. And also, you can make people jiggly as well.
Wait, never mind. Yeah, like fun fact. Ian, chat on me.
I bet. I'm gonna do it. Close it. And then press the button. And then if you have another person with you, they'll also electrocute and start jiggling. And you will get popcorn. Your popcorn. Bro, your popcorn! Look, you see yourself, look, your popcorn. Your popcorn.
God dang.
I can see you as popcorn, bro.
Alright, guys, Ian, come on, let's go back to spawn.
Wait, I think you get popcorn from that.
I know. Alright, come on, let's go back to spawn. Even my grappler is jiggly. Even my freaking Viper shotgun. My Viper shotgun.
Wait, do it to me. I want to be a popcorn. Wait, don't press it. I want to be popcorn. Oh shoot. Come on. Well, he died. Oh shoot, I'm stuck. Well, I guess that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching and bye.